To hide apps on the Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. So here we have the settings. We can then navigate down to security and privacy. And after entering it, we'll be able to find the hide apps right here in special features. You can click on it and that way perform a setup for the hide apps. Before we do that, if you don't have privacy password, you will need to also add privacy password first. So let's add a pattern like this. This password will be used to access hidden apps, unlock locked apps, and access private file folder. So now when we have this set up, we can go to security settings and set up the question or any of other option from there, and then we can get started with the hide apps. Now you need to select the access method, the method that you will use to access those hidden apps. I prefer the access code. You can even pick both of the options. Access code allows you to enter the specific code that you will design on your dial pad and then access those hidden apps. Home screen folder allows you to see all of the hidden apps in the folder on your home screen that you will need to unlock with privacy password that we've just set up. So we're gonna go for set an access code, go to the settings and then type in our code. It always needs to start with hash. Then we can type in whatever number we like and end it with hash again. Then click on done, done again, and then we can add apps. For example, let's go for the AliExpress app. Then we can hide it or unhide it if the app is hidden. In this case, we can completely hide it. And then if we go into our home screen and access our hidden folder with the specific code that we've entered, we'll be able to find this app. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.